Hello, it's Marek. Welcome to MDrives. Today I will be sorting out something which was annoying me for almost 12 months now. So 2 years ago I bought this black M2 badge. It's not a genuine one. It costed about 15-12 quid, I don't remember. You can get them everywhere. They are on eBay, they are on Amazon, they are on all the tuning companies' websites, but they are definitely not genuine. So I thought I'm getting myself a good deal. Unfortunately, it wasn't the best. After about 12 months, this sticker here started discolorating. So the colors actually changed in appearance. They are not the same anymore as they were on the day one. They've gone a bit greenish, I would say. So yeah, I started noticing it about 12 months ago, and basically every month I looked at the car, the color was changing, and I think it's just so annoying now. I think it's just embarrassing. You know, you've got 30k car and you've got cheap badge which doesn't even look anymore as a badge the car came with, so it needs to be changed. I was trying to find a genuine one, black one for the M2, and you can get one for M2 competition. However, it's much smaller than the original M2 badge. This one was already slightly smaller, which I will show you in a moment. However, it wasn't too bad. The M2 competition is even smaller, so I wanted to retain the original size. So I actually found out on the M2 Facebook group that you can get the new G series M240 black badge and just use the M2, and they are identical in size to the original chrome M2 sign I had on the car when I purchased it from BMW. So it was no-brainer. It was also cheaper than M2 Comp 1, I believe. I think I paid about £40 with delivery. It's a genuine BMW part, so that will never change the color. So I'm really happy about it. It's a shame I decided to go cheap at first, and I could say lost this 12-15 pounds I spent, and I lost time as well. So I'm gonna change that now, and I'm going to show you how to do it, ensuring that you keep them in the same place. So first I'm going to use a bit of masking tape to outline where it needs to be. So yeah, that's one. That's two. To take it off nicely, you need to get yourself a set of pry tools. I'm gonna leave a link to this one. I bought it off Amazon for about 8-10 quid, probably about 2 years ago, and it's just a fantastic tool set. You get all different kinds of pry tools inside, so I use them a lot on interior, etc. But for this one, I think I might try this. So you just stick it underneath, and actually it comes off pretty easily. And that's because the car sat in the sun for probably a couple of hours now. Right, so we need to get rid of that sticky tape. But with a pry tool, it's not a big issue. I'm going to remove the rest of the residue with the IPA. That's about as good as it gets. So next I'm going to use just M and 2, and unfortunately this gap isn't the same as the original gap, so we will have to decrease it by probably a third to match the original. You can actually see an outlay of the old batch as well, so that might help you with the spacing. So peeling off the 2, and I'm going to stick it exactly where it was. And that's pretty much spot on. I'm going to push it and hold it for probably about 15 to 20 seconds to make sure that the glue sticks perfectly. I think that will be fine. And now I'm going to do the M letter. So I can see the previous spacing. So I'm only worried about leveling it, but the tape is really helpful. And that is spot on. So again, I'm going to press it. Now we can remove the tape. Just remove some leftover glue, and that's it. Just look at the difference. The size of the non-genuine M, it's completely different. Just look at it, it's so much better. It looks brilliant. That also faded now. It's not really black, it's grey. Something you probably don't realize before you actually put it next to a brand new batch. So yeah, I'm really happy with going back to the original size and genuine product, which will keep the color the same for years. So it's all done and it looks so much better. I'm really glad I decided to go OEM this time and not go ahead with another non-genuine product, which would look rubbish after 12 months anyway. So yeah, it's just pointless. You might argue that with the non-genuine one you can actually afford 3 or 4 of them for the same price, but then you have to change it all the time, and then it's annoying you because it's changing the color all the time. So yeah, just go with genuine. I really recommend it. It just looks brilliant. Right guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you shortly in the next one. Thank you, goodbye, do widzenia.